We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Hi Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet become an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why you should use vegetable glycerin. There are so many benefits to this amazing product, and I've made many other videos on why you should use certain items. And if you're looking to learn a little bit more about a specific item, leave it down below and I probably can make a video on that as well. But today we are talking about this, a miracle in a bottle called vegetable glycerin. The one that I'm referencing in this video is from Florida Laboratories Inc. So if you're looking to purchase this specific one, I will have it listed down below for you all. As you all can see, it's a pretty good sized bottle, okay? And I've gotten a lot of use out of it because, do you see what I said? Okay. Do you see what I said? So let me tell you all why I've used this glycerin up this much and the amazing benefits of glycerin for your skin and your body. Let's go ahead and let's get started. So what is glycerin? If you buy any skincare products, including lotion, creams, and soap, you likely already know about glycerin. It's a common ingredient in many beauty and skincare products, primarily because of its ability to smooth and moisturize the skin. Although many products contain glycerin, some people prefer to use glycerin in its natural state. Let's talk about how glycerin can benefit your skin. Glycerin is great for the skin because it acts as a humectant, which is a substance that allows the skin to retain moisture. It can increase skin hydration, relieve dryness, and refresh the skin's surface. It can also soften the skin, which is great if you suffer from eczema or psoriasis. And for those of y'all that are common viewers here on my channel, you know that I personally have eczema, so this product has worked miracles for my skin. Not only just using it in the pure form, but also using it through lotions and things like that. Glycerin also has antimicrobial properties, which means that it can protect the skin from harmful microorganisms. Many people also believe that it can repair the skin and speed up wound healing process. Now let's talk about how you should use glycerin. While using glycerin on its own, it can moisturize and exfoliate the skin. So if you're looking to get rid of some dead skin, definitely put you some glycerin on, okay? It will definitely help with that exfoliating process. You can use glycerin with a combination of other products such as lemon and also rose water. It can help revive dry, dull skin and soften your skin for an easier exfoliation. So, as we've all found out from this video, there are so many benefits to using glycerin. Let me know down below if you use glycerin, whether you use it in its pure form and or whether you use it through lotions and through certain products. Let me know down below in the comment section because you know that I'm always curious to learn a little bit more about my glam fam. And before I leave this video, I'm not going to leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my Glam Star of the day. I want to thank you so much for your lovely comments and thank you so much for watching the content that I put out. If you're looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Turn on those post notifications because when you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging.